Hello people, welcome to the Heritage Show. My name is Nana Poku, and in this video I aim to educate you, to give you lots and lots of information about how to settle in Ghana. So if you're living abroad and you're ready, you feel the time is right and you want to move back to Ghana, I'm here for you because we've done it. We started as far back as 2013. There were challenges, that we had to face, but I'm here to tell you all the challenges and the mistakes that we made, so you will learn from it and hopefully your journey will be more smooth than ours. So stick and stay. I'll be back.
Baby, na me da phone so da baby. Nana Poku. Amanda.
Welcome back and thank you for staying. Just as I'm sure you are aware, Africa is developing. Lots of developments are happening. Exciting, isn't it? Which is why we all want to go back. Now, if you want to move to Ghana, there are so many things that you need to consider. First and foremost, you have to consider your accommodation. Secondly, transportation. Also, job, whether you're going to be working for somebody or you want to be self-employed. So these are the major three things that you need to consider: accommodation, job, and transportation. So join me in the next video as I break these points down. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and keep on supporting. Like, share and comment. If there's anything that you want me to cover, just let me know and I'll do that.